subscribe. It's red at youtube.com.
The baby has sucked? A big man like that has sucked titty?
Mixed reactions among Jamaicans this evening to a Time magazine cover story about breastfeeding. That's the talk of social media circles. Here's Janella Precious with a story that has tongues wagging, so to speak.
It's a photograph which has the entire world talking. Captioned, "Are you mom enough?" It's an up-close and personal look at breastfeeding. The female in the picture is a 26-year-old woman who in the article speaks of being confronted by strangers who see her nursing her son. She says they also threaten to call social services and describe the act as child molestation. We took the picture and headed to the streets where some Jamaicans expressed alarm.
But I don't understand this picture here. No, so I don't understand. I never know say picnic big still suck titty and then wear them size here.
Now what that? Eh? The baby has sucked? A big man like that has sucked titty?
Many of whom we spoke to felt that the maximum age for breastfeeding should be 1 year old. The child on the magazine cover is 3.
He is old enough, he will understand not to bite her still, you know, but I don't think it's right to breastfeed in this big child now. So what when he's going to school?
That's a big baby, that's a big boy, that's a walking, talking boy that can eat food, not breast. That's nasty.
Let me tell you the truth, my mother said me suck till me 3 too.
What did your mother do?
Told me that I suck her breast till I was 3 years old. So I don't see nothing wrong with it.
But is there really an age limit to breastfeeding?
There's nothing wrong with breastfeeding a 3-year-old.
My mother said me suck till me 3 too.
But then we have to look at the different cultures in which we operate. So for Jamaica, I know that most persons advocate that we breastfeed up to 2 years, and most times after 2 years we stop. But there's nothing really wrong in terms of any dangers to the child or the mother. There's nothing wrong in feeding a child as long as mommy and baby is comfortable.
But despite the adage that breast is best, clearly some Jamaicans will need more than a little convincing to be this comfortable. Janella Precious, TVJ News.
Let me tell you the truth, my mother said me suck till me 3 too.
Now what that?
What did your mother do?
Told me that I suck her breast till I was 3 years old. So I don't see nothing wrong with it.
A big man like that has sucked titty?
Subscribe to this channel. It's Threads at YouTube, otherwise known as Infamous Threads.